What are we doing, Xander?
Putting the crank pulley on, which isn't making sense. Fucking fan.
Well, I only have those nuts on. We can spin the nuts right off. I didn't tighten them up. I was just trying to get everything lined up for the belts.
The fan doesn't line up belts. Oh, there goes that nut.
There we go.
Thanks, Pierre Cardin.
Yeah, it's not easy on the arms at all. I've got a lot of marks on the underside of my arms right now. Okay, so it's not just me.
Well, I mean, I got two in, so.
That is really, really weird. Let me see one of the bolts real quick. I got light coming through on a spot. I'm hoping I can. Where's my... All right, guys. Well, you get the idea of what we're doing. Hopefully we'll be back in a little bit with that one on. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one.